In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Rode Central app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Rode Central app is available for both Android and iOS, and it makes the process of managing your Rode products and devices extremely simple. So all that you have to do is download the application through the Play Store or the App Store, and once you have it downloaded, open it up. Now, to connect your Rode device, you have plenty of options to do this. This app is available for both desktop and mobile. However, I'm going to be focusing on the mobile version. For mobile, as you can see, they list this image as an example where they use a cable. You might be able to connect it wirelessly depending on your model and the connection types, such as Bluetooth for example, but connecting it with a cable is a straightforward way to make sure it works, and it is by far the most convenient. Choose whichever option you prefer. Usually the app will guide you through all of them and you simply have to follow the instructions. Once it has been connected, you are now able to manage the Rode products here through the interface on the application. So you will see the battery percentages and the battery level. You have options related to managing the receivers and transmitters, so output gain, LEDs, routing, and most of these will only have one option like LEDs. Usually on the receiver you will find plenty of things related to the microphone, the audio quality, the way it's picking up audio around you, assist, levels, and so on, and you can easily pair and unpair additional transmitters and other options. There's not much else to say. You download the application on your desktop, PC, or laptop, or you get it on mobile, you connect your Rode microphone to that specific device where the application is running, and as soon as you open it, it will be detected. So now you are able to manage your Rode device. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Rode Central app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.